Their little tiny faces, the bushy tails, the chunky potato figure, the mini hands. Oh, I love Snuffies, man.
Oh gosh, it's coming right over here.
Oh, so cool!
His dog was upset because he dropped the leash.
It's like, walkies! Now! More walkies!
How blind do you have to be to get glasses like this?
Whoa!
Someone found a smiley face in their pepper when they cut it open.
Dang! Oh!
He somehow trained these lizards to be super chill.
Those are some chill lizards.
This tortoise started attacking himself in the mirror. He wasted absolutely no time.
Give a kiss. Give baby kisses. You get kiss. Kiss.
Oh, so sweet.
Okay. I feel like I could watch this forever.
Too thick. Better.